Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play Pixel Gun 3D with a PS4 controller. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all get your game, purchase it, and once you're good to go, you will be able to play it on the PC. Make sure to install the PC edition. So the thing is, you can choose to simply play the game, and here on this PC as well, if you've been wondering whether you can connect your PS4, apparently you can connect your PS4 to the Bluetooth and simply access it and try to play. But the thing is, that won't matter. Your controller will be connected, but it won't do any of the function. It won't work. You will have to use the touch controller function. For that, you have to use your keyboard and the mouse. For that purpose, you won't be able to use the controller. It will just not work out. So if you have been wondering whether it's possible, unfortunately still here in the Pixel Gun 3D, the PS4 controllers are not supported yet. So hope this video was informative and helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.